Hello, and welcome to your guide to Campus Online. Campus Online is an extremely important tool you'll be utilising throughout your education at SAE. Campus Online has multiple different components, and it's important for you to know how to navigate around. This video will help you do just that. However, you may notice small differences in your own layout due to certain updates or differences in the specific contents of your modules to that shown here. To access Campus Online, you need to visit student.sae.edu.au. If you're not logged in, you may be prompted to log into Microsoft using your SAE email address and password. To see the online modules of your classes, you want to navigate to Campus Online. Here you may also log in using the details you set up during your onboarding. After logging in, you will be greeted by your modules, otherwise known as your subjects. The filter underneath the subheading Course Overview lets you filter between your current classes and classes you've previously completed which are now archived. Click on a module and you'll be brought to the module homepage. This is where some of the most important information regarding this subject is stored. The unit site toggle may reveal your weekly content and other details. However, the structure of these subpages may differ per subject. The unit guide link will take you to a web page dedicated solely to this subject, facilitators' expectations, learning outcomes, rubric, information about workload of the classes, and most of the information you should need in regard to your projects, including specific information on the deliverables, dates, formats, and naming conventions. The page also ends with recommended readings, which includes references made throughout the subjects and things you can read to get ahead. Here's a pro tip. Make note of these resources so that when you're working on your written content in class, you'll have something to reference to. The Project tab takes you to the specific page where you submit your content. The button at the bottom of the page brings you to another page that contains your submission status, grading status, and last modification date. You can add your submission here. Some classes require direct uploads of documents, and other classes may need links to embedded content in your Learning Journal. You can provide links to your Learning Journal project page in the online text box at the bottom of this page. Another pro tip: remember to hit publish on your Google Site project page before submission. This makes sure the facilitator will be directed to a page that is up and running correctly. And remember to click Save Changes to finalize your submission. Here is what the page looks like after submission and grading. You can see your specific grade, the date, who graded you, and any feedback they provide. Thanks so much for watching. Now that you're acquainted with the basics of navigating Campus Online, I hope you take a look for yourself and discover all of the important information you need to thrive at SAE.